Copenhagen 75mm. Let's give it a shot. I love your shirt. Man.
Oh, nice.
Looks like you.
Yeah. Looks like me.
Have a good day, man.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
So yeah, it's been a good day. The light's falling, it's coming up to 9:30 p.m. And as you can see, still above the buildings. So for those who like that golden hour, it's more like a golden 3 hours. So it's my second day using the GT2, and yesterday I had an awful time, wasn't comfortable at all, relying too much on the autofocus that wasn't performing so well. But today, kept it simple. I think I've got a few more shots. So, what do I like about the GT2? In good light, it works well, and probably with architecture. So focusing on some details, getting some detailed facade shots, it treats the verticals a lot more kindly than the 40mm. But aside from that, not much. You save time, so you take less shots. So yeah, the bokeh, average. Size, really not good at all. And it doesn't feel like it's built so well when it's suspended by the plastic collar that Ricoh makes. So all in all, it's not a very enjoyable addition to the GR3X, which, as we all know, is a perfectly sized camera. So does it offer much more? No, I wouldn't say so. Apart from a few detailed architectural shots, and if you're going to have to take a few portraits and you can only take your GR3X. No regrets, just a few regrets that I didn't use the 40mm instead. But I've got the rest of my life to use that focal length. Why not try and improve at 75mm?